Gulu Bulu, look at this new member of our family. His lovely two eyes and those sharp, sharp teeth. Miles, show your teeth. I know you're soon going to show your teeth when we don't put you down. Wait. Okay. I had started inquiring from various dog breeders and decided to go and meet one in Gurgaon finally. On entering there, we first met two Labrador females with their leader. And then Narendra, our contact, led us to the terrace room, which is where they had several types of breeds for sale. But we were clear that we wanted only German Shepherds.
Fun? Don't let it bite. अरे कुछ नहीं हुआ. तो आपने हमें दिखाया तो कौन सा है कैसे पता चलेगा?
And we played around with them for a while.
इसको ले लेता रश्मि, ये इसको नीचे जाना है, उस साइड घुमा थोड़ा.
मुझे देखना.
हाँ. See which is the most.
Rashmi and Arav liked all the puppies, and we picked the one that seemed most friendly.
सब भागे किसी ना देखो. That is their loyalty. Okay, we have finally got our puppy. This is a German Shepherd male young dog, and Rashmi is handing over to Arav. Arav, are you excited? Shall we show here? Hold on, show here, show your puppy. Wait there. Is it sleeping?
Nice.
Okay, आ जाओ.
On the way back, he slept peacefully in the car.
Why being petted like that?
So what? You're the father, Mama is the mother, and I'm the brother.
ऐसा ही कुछ.
Before going home, we took him to a vet to get a quick medical checkup done. And he confirmed that the pup was healthy and of a good breed.
आपको दिखेगा कि मतलब आवाज आएगी तो आपको लगना चाहिए कि बहुत ज्यादा इम्पैक्ट ना हो जाए. इम्पैक्शन हो जाता है, बहुत ज्यादा मील दे देंगे तो भी इसके लिए प्रॉब्लम है.
मतलब इसको पता नहीं चलेगा तो
हाँ जी, अभी जैसे मान लीजिए 1 month and 10 days, 10 days नहीं 35 days. तो अभी इसको मैक्सिमम में मील जो डिवाइड करेंगे आप 100 to 150 ग्राम, ठीक है. इसको डिवाइड कर लीजिए 4 बार में, छोटे छोटे मील आप इसको देते रहिए. कितना में ये खुश रहेगा.
And the new baby has reached home. Hey sweetheart, how are you? आजाओ. And we were as nervous and excited as he was when we finally entered our home.
Look at how excited and nervous it is. Hey baby. कर देने दे, कोई बात नहीं. किया कुछ उसने? हाँ. अरे ध्यान रखना वहाँ किया.
Like a baby, he got busy playing right away.
But look at how it is tumbling itself.
And then completed a meal of Cerelac powder, which is what the breeder and vet had suggested to us. Eventually, he got tired and found a corner for himself to rest. You can still see the anxiety in his eyes. How cute he is.